In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your new Facebook ads account, alright, on your Facebook ads manager. So even if you're a complete beginner, once you watch this video to the end, you're going to learn how you can create your business portfolio and create your ad account inside your business portfolio, and how you can actually start using it to run ads, and also how you can fund it even as a complete beginner, right? So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss out on any important details. You're going to learn how you can create your ad account and start running ads like all this, alright? So how do you do that? Now the first thing you want to do is to come to business business.facebook forward slash business.facebook.com forward slash settings. Then click on enter, right? Now, why do you need to create your business portfolio? Your business portfolio is your engine room. It actually enables you to create your ads account, right? By default, every Facebook profile has a normal ads account tied to them, right? So let me show you that. To access your default ad account tied to your normal Facebook account, just come to facebook.com forward slash ads manager. Then click on enter. So that you can see the difference of what I'm telling you right now. Now it's going to take you to something like a windows like this. Now click on this drop down arrow here. Right. You're going to look at it, say under assets. It's going to show this one ad account. This ad account here, every Facebook profile have it, alright. So this is your, should I say, is more of like your follow come ad account tied to every Facebook profile, right? But we want to use this one, right? We want to create a business portfolio where we can create ad accounts, and with this one we can add partners, we can do a lot of things, even give people access to manage our assets, manage our page, manage our WhatsApp, and a lot of advantages you can do on your business portfolio, right? So you don't want to use your actual ad account tied to your Facebook profile, right? So you want to create a new ad account under the business portfolio. So how do you do that? Like I said earlier, just come to business.facebook.com forward slash settings, right? Once you come here, you now click on create business. Then you can decide to enter your business name here, right? You can say, okay, let's say tutorial portfolio, right? This is where you want to enter. This is where you want to enter your company name, right? Your company name here. You can enter your company name. Let's say your example, your company name is Gmas team. You can set to enter Gmas team here. So I'm just going to type tutorial portfolio here. Then your name, your legal name must be here, right? Enter your legal name here as it appears on your ID card, right? Because most times Facebook might ask you to verify your business portfolio. So this is very, very important. Then your email address. This is where you now enter your email address, right? So just enter your email address here. Then click on submit. I click on submit, then wait for it to load. Right, good. Say portfolio has been created, right? Portfolio has been created. You can now click on done. Can I click on done? It's going to load. Now look at the portfolio we just created. Look at it. Look at it. It's going to show here. Look at it. Tutorial portfolio. Now, do you ask? Let's say you come to this place and you're finding it difficult to access your portfolio, your business portfolio. What do? You click on this drop down arrow here. You click on it. Then you look for your business portfolio. Like, as you can see, I have a lot of business portfolio on this my Facebook profile, right? So you can now, once you come here, you want to see all the business portfolio. Like I told you, this is the default one tied to your Facebook profile. You don't want to use that one, right? So you can see my face showing here too. So you don't want to use that one. You want to create a business portfolio and create another account inside. Now you're not going to select this one that is showing tutorial portfolio, which is the one we just created now, because that's the one you want to work with. All right. So once you click on it, you're going to take you here. Now, how do you create your ad account? It's very simple. You scroll down, you click on settings here, or you just click on go to settings, right? You can decide to click on go to settings from here, or click on settings here. So just click on settings now, right? Now it's going to take you here. Now this is people, this is partner. This place under users here, you can actually add people to manage your portfolio for you, to manage your ads for your, here you can get your employees, media buyers to manage your ads for you. All you have to do is to enter their ID here and add them, right? So that's by the side. Now how do you actually create your ad account? Under this account, which is after the users, now under this account menu, you're going to see some sub menus here, like pages, hard accounts, businesses, and all that. You want to click on the one, you want to click on hard account, which is the sub menu other accounts. So click on hard account, right? Then click on, or you're going to see something like this. Then click on hard to create your new hard account. Now click on create a new account. Now enter your hard account name here. Now let's say tutorial. Again, you want to enter your company name here, tutorial hard account. If you don't have a company, you can decide to enter your name here too as your hard account, whatever. It doesn't really matter. All right. So you can now select your time zone here. Right. So our time zone, you want to make sure that you select your right time zone. Very important. Right. If you're in the United States, make sure you select United States time zone. If you're in Africa, Lagos, select Africa Lagos. All right. So you can see based on my IP address, my time zone has been selected for me automatically. All right. Now my currency, I want to select my local currency. Very, very important. Right. So I will select Nigeria Naira. Right. If you want your account to be in USD, you can select USD. But if you are in Nigeria, select Nigeria so that it will be easy for you to fund your hard account with transfer, right? With bank transfer or your OPay, PAMPay, and all that, right? So just click on Nigeria, click on NGN Nigeria Naira, all right? Then if you are in the US, make sure you select United States time zone and you select USD dollars. Very, very important. Depending on your country, all right? Yeah, depending on your country. Then click on next. Now this is going to show this my business. Click on next, right? It's going to show you this. Once added, you can't remove the hard account from your business portfolio, right? Tick I agree. Then click on create hard account. You can now click on done, right? Click on done. Now our hard account have been created, all right? Now how do you access your hard account? It's very, very simple. Very simple. You can just come here, click on all tools, then click on this other ads manager, right? Click on it, open link in a new tab to access your new hard account you just created, right? Look at it. You can see it's showing no hard. Look at this hard now. You can see okay, you can see I'm running hard here in these different hard accounts, right? But this one is showing empty, right? And to confirm that this is your new hard account, you're going to see the hard account name here. Look at it, tutorial hard account. Good. So look at it. Look at our new business portfolio and look at our hard account here, right? So sometimes they are going to show you this pop-up, add the payment method. You can close it or you can close it, all right? Then if you want to add your payment, anytime you are ready to add your payment method, you are going to see this card icon here. Just click on billing and payment, right? To fund your hard account, click on billing and payment. Right, click on billing and payment. Then click on add payment method, right? Of course, when you select your currency, your time zone, click on next, right? Then click on pay by bank transfer. If you are in the United States, you can decide to select pay by debit or credit card, all right? But if you are in the if you are depending on the country you are, you want to select the payment method that is convenient for you. But if you are in Nigeria, select pay in naira, pay by bank transfer, all right? Pay by bank transfer, right? Then click on next. They are not going to generate. Click on skip. They are not going to generate an add um account number for you. So you can enter the amount you want to fund. Let's say you want to fund with 5,000 here. You can enter the amount here. Click on next. A bank account has been generated for us. What we'll have to do is to copy this account number and transfer the exact amount of money we want to fund, which is 5,000, right? The bank name is Paystack Titan. Sometimes they can give the bank name could be Pega, right? PAGA. Sometimes it could be Paystack Titan. So you go to your bank transfer, you select on the other the bank name, search for Paystack Titan or Pega, depending on the kind of bank they give you, right? Now the account name, once you paste the account number here, the account name is E3S Meta NG, alright? So that's what's going to pop up here. If it is not show here, if the account name is not this, sometimes it's going to show Facebook ad as the account name. So just transfer the exact money to the account number showed here. Once you transfer the money, it's going to reflect in your hard account automatically, almost immediately. So you want to use microfinance bank like OPay, PAMPay, Kuda, and the rest of them, so that the money is not going to hang, alright? So that the transfer is going to be fast and smooth and sweet, alright? So that's exactly how you can actually fund your new hard account, right? Now how do you now start running hard with it? It's very simple. Right, it's very, very simple. You want to go back, click on create. Right, so you want to click on create, then you can decide to select any objective you want to, right? But in the meantime, they're going to show you this, that your info is needed. You just go to account overview, then enter your phone number under this place. Like they say you should enter your phone number, just enter your phone number and verify the OTP. Once you have done that, you can now once you have done that, you can now go back and start running ads, right? So just click on create. Let's just say leads as an objective. Click on continue. Right, so I'm not going to teach you how to run ads here. Right, if you want to learn exactly how to run ads from start to finish as a complete beginner, I'm going to link a video in the description of this video. All right, it's a detailed, it's more of like a course that shows you how to run ads as a complete beginner from start to finish. How to run how to run high converting Facebook ad, right? And I guarantee you, if you watch that video to the end, you're going to move from a newbie to an expert when it comes to running Facebook ads that actually converts, right? That's going to double, triple, and even 10x your return on that spend, right? That is one thing I can guarantee you, right? And if these videos interest you already, make sure you smash the like button on this video, right? Then on your asset level, you can actually add your page. Yeah, you can add your page here. So I'm just going to run a quick rundown now. And on your Facebook page, you're going to see all your Facebook page attached to your profile. If you don't see it, you can just click on connect Facebook page, connect Instagram, and you are good to go. Right? So that's exactly how you can create your new account. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video and you subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this. All right, and make sure you click on this video down here below to learn how you can actually create high converting Facebook and Instagram ads today. All right, and I'm going to see you over there.